Hello everyone, and welcome to WOWOnlinetutor.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in as a student and the Learners platform. Let's take a look. Right now we have the WOW Online Tutor homepage, and if you've already registered, you can escape. So please press escape. Perfect. And now you're going to click log in at the top right hand side. Log in your account. Just type in your email address. And your password. Now we're inside the Learners platform. Let's take a look. Firstly, we have booking with all of our tutors here. And I have one with Miss Elma at 5 o'clock. And if we go just below, find tutors, you have access to all of the tutors at WOW Online Tutor. Let's make a booking with Miss Uzma. What you're going to do is click Book Me and select the right time for you and when you want to meet the tutor. So I'd like to see her today. Is Friday the 6th of November. And the time, I want to see her at 4:30 p.m. You're going to type in 4:30. And in our last column, make sure you type in either AM or PM. Perfect. Now let's press book. And it'll come up with tutor is booked successfully. To check your booking, you can return to home, scroll down, and it'll come up with Miss Uzma at 4:30 p.m. Here is our pricing, and this is what WOW Online Tutor offers. Our community blogs, which are written by our academic people, and also blogs that you can share. You can create videos about your learning, about you singing, talking about yourself, some of your hobbies, stories that you want to share, things like that. And this one is also another key part of WOW Online Tutor, which is the chats. And we can basically have conversations with all of our tutors. So what we do is let's press on one of the tutors, Mr. Tamana, and then we can comment something, hello, click send, and you've sent the message. Now we have a help board. Now this help board goes out to everyone, so all of the tutors can see it, and you can see how to contact the help board, how can I delete a bad review which concerns the tutors. But yeah, this is for you guys as well as the tutors. Okay, and finally, you press on your icon at the top right hand side and click sign out. You have finished and you are out of your platform. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching.